Hello everyone, it's Halima. I'm a detox specialist and I focus on anti-inflammatory foods and low-carb diets, and I'd love to show you something really quick and easy while our truffles are in the fridge chilling. I would like to show this to you. It's easy for sahur, it can be done way in advance, and it lasts for a couple of days in the fridge. The ingredients we have are oats. I've got some mango puree, pomegranate seeds, mint leaves. I've got coconut. It's a coconut oil, a mixture of turmeric, cardamom, ginger, black pepper, cinnamon in this mix. We have a bit of honey. In this lovely bowl, we've got some hemp seeds and some bee pollen. And then we have some chia seeds. And along, we're going to garnish with some fruits and some plant-based milk. And I've put a little bit of vanilla into the honey as well. So let's get mixing. We're gonna start with our oats in a bowl. I like to then put some mango puree in. I like to be quite generous with this one, so I'm going to put 2 and a bit of the spatula in. The bee pollen and hemp seeds, which are really good for immunity. Chia seeds. The coconut fat. And you might be asking me why the coconut fat. So the coconut fat is going to help us with the turmeric element in our dish today. So turmeric cannot be absorbed in the body just as it is. It needs to be made bioavailable, which means the bioavailability, the fat in the coconut helps the body to absorb it better, and the black pepper too is also another element that helps the body to really absorb it so it can be super, super effective. So I'm going to put all our lovely ginger, cardamom, cinnamon, and cracked black pepper in there. And this is all literally, this whole little bowl is everything that can really help to bring inflammation down in the body. So it's a really great way to incorporate spices into something and have medicinal effect. So this is really food is medicine at its best. It's our honey and vanilla. Vanilla just more for flavor and really enhance that. I think it really, really marries well. So I'm just going to stir that together a little bit. So we have that into a lovely sort of paste. And now we're going to add our liquid element, because this is basically an overnight oats. So I like to stir it in a little at a time so that the oats absorbs the liquid. So we've stirred through all the lumps, and as you can see, it's still a little bit liquid, but as we leave it in the fridge to rest and to set, the next morning, it'll be a really lovely texture. I have these cute little jars that I love to use, and they have a lid on. So what I'd love to do is show you how this is. Can you see? The mixture has already started to thicken a little bit. So we're going to spoon this in. Can be a little bit messy sometimes. Here we go. And then you literally just cover it up and leave it in the fridge to set overnight. So in the morning, just to finish it off, I like to decorate it and put berries in and a bit of fruit. So I'm going to use a little bit of the mango puree. Put that in. It's really nice and colorful, but a great way to incorporate fruit into your morning. Put a raspberry in. Pomegranate seeds. And I like to finish it off with a little sprig of mint, just for color. And here we have it, our anti-inflammatory overnight oats. It's perfect for sahur. You can make it in advance, keep it in the fridge up to 3 days. It's really light and it's not a lot to eat at that time of the morning, but it's still super nutritious and will really help you get through the day. I hope you enjoy it.